Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing the specification of iPhone 15 Pro power adapter model number A2246. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. So this is the iPhone 15 Pro 2-pin power adapter. On other side we can see Type-C port. Here the model number you can see here. The model number is A2246. Here you can see the input voltage and output 5 volt 2.4 ampere. See here in this user manual you can see the specification of iPhone 15 Pro power adapter model A2246 input output. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.